Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Litecoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, this looks very similar. Like Ethereum and Bitcoin. So if you're new to the channel, I am using this, the fibs from the high at about December 20th, 2017 to, let's see, December 13th of 2018 or so. So about that. Those are the bigger fibs. So that's why I keep saying on the videos 102 is very crucial resistant. We're pretty close. So for the smaller fibs, I am using June 22nd of 2019 to March 13th low. That's how I'm coming up with this smaller fibs. Now if you watch the videos and follow somewhat what I said, you should have made some money in this trade. I mean, your risk to reward was 3.98 to 1, which is great. So you should have made some shackles. Now we tried to figure out where this is going. So by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help the whole world, excuse me guys, how to make shackles in the crypto market. So, and if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like we're all making shackles. So that being said, don't forget, pulverize that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get back to it. So luckily on November 30th, that was such a big strong candle, and then we had a pullback, and it wasn't 50% of the November 30th candle, so it does not look like a dark cloud color. Now this looks very similar. This candle, November 23rd, November 24th, and November 25th. If you put those three together, that makes an evening star, and that's why we had this massive pullback. Luckily we had that rally. So now the struggle will be, we definitely have to close, guys, above the previous highs, and we pretty much have to either break 100 to 102, preferably 102. We need to break 102 for this to get very bullish, because that 23% retracement of the bigger swing, closing above that will means that the trend, sorry guys, a little tired, has shifted to the opposite of what it was, and technically it was a bearish trend. Now it will be a bullish trend. So 102, it is crucial for us to break that. So I wouldn't do anything right at this particular moment right now. If we start breaking lower, the 72 level mark is one. More likely we'll hit the 61% retracement, so 61 bucks. Because and then by then the 200-day moving average will be right there, and the price action will hug the 200-day moving average. So I do see potential for this to break lower, but not very likely. We just have to kind of wait and see what Bitcoin is going to do. That's what we're all waiting here. We're gonna break higher, because then as soon as Bitcoin starts rallying and it has like a little bit of a stop, people will move the money from Bitcoin to the other alts, and the other alts will start rallying. So we're just kind of in a wait and see mode for now. So keep that in mind, guys. So let's just look at the weekly chart here. So if we look at the weekly chart, see the 85 buck mark, it is 50% retracement from June 17 of 2019 to March 13th low. So we definitely have to break above the $85 mark. If we break above that, holding, our next line in the sand will be the 23% retracement. So like I said, 102, crucial. We're about to start moving to 102, but we have to wait and see what happens this week. If we look at this wicks, it looks like we started good, and all of a sudden we started having a pullback. So just have to kind of wait and see. And like I said, if we pull back, more likely. Now, I didn't see this. So here's the 200-day moving average from a weekly chart. 671 bucks will be a big deal actually, because look what we have here, 200-day moving average. If we go below that, this will be, it will get bearish, so just keep that in mind, guys. Also, you guys requested a private chat. We delivered. I'm gonna put it down in the description below. It's called Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, we're here. We created a light version, which is just technical analysis, and we created the pro version, which is not only the technical analysis, but I'm gonna be holding your hand at all times, and I'm gonna be posting the setups as they happen. So if I'm going long or short or something, I'll do it right away, post it in the chat. So just keep that in mind if you need more help than the YouTube channel. So let's just kind of glance over this one more time. The weekly chart, it looks bullish. I mean, RSI is bullish. Price action more likely will close above the 85, so I'm not too concerned about a drop. Our line of the sand is 71 bucks, and our next line in the sand is 102. If we're gonna start breaking higher, so we do have a lot of potential, because this at peak was almost 400 bucks, so 380 or so. So we do have a lot of potential here to make some shackles out of this. So that being said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.